Sound energy is a form of energy that is associated with vibrations of matter. It is a type of mechanical wave, which means it requires an object to travel through. This object can include air and water and even solids. Sound originates from the vibrations that result after an object applies a force to another object. So here's some interesting sound energy facts. So sound produces a relatively low level of energy when compared to other forms of energy. Because sound produces such a low level of energy, it is not used for electricity. If the vibrational waves of a medium changes, the sound it produces will also change. Sound is measured in decibels and pascals instead of traditional units of energy measurement, which is the joule. The intensity of sound energy is usually measured using the perception of a normal hearing person. The measurement of sound energy is related to its pressure and its intensity, or how strong it is. We are able to hear different sounds because as the sound, which are vibrations, enter our ear, the ear also vibrates. Dogs' ears are more sensitive than human ears, which allow them to hear sounds that humans cannot hear. There's no sound in space because there's no object for sound to travel through, because it requires a medium. Sound travels through a solid much faster than through air. 767 miles per hour is the speed of sound. Sound travels faster through a liquid, such as water, than it travels through the air. The study of sound waves, we call that acoustics. Did you know that flies cannot hear at all? And finally, when whales communicate with each other underwater, their sound can travel up to 800 kilometers in the ocean.